Alright guys, here's a look at the beautiful rump roast. This is from the cows that we purchased and had raised and took care of, and then it was time to send them to the butcher. And we all have, us and our sons and a friend of ours, all have this delicious beef that we raised ourselves. We know what it ate. We know how they were taken care of. Let me tell you, it's delicious meat. So here's the rump roast. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about it here in just a second. Alright, here is the rump roast. Looking good. It's frozen. I don't know if you do that, but sometimes I do. If I haven't put it out the night before to thaw, I just put it in very early the next morning, frozen, and it will be ready by dinner time, say 6 or 7 o'clock, maybe 6 o'clock. So like I said, it's in very early this morning, so it'll be finished by the time we need it to be. I usually put in my meat defrosted, thawed out, but I didn't think of it last night, so it's going in frozen and it works just fine. Just need a little extra time. I just wanted to tell you that this is probably the best roast ever. We love it. I found the recipe from Kimmy on She's in Her Apron, and I think it's called Jana's roast. So I don't know who she got it from, but let me tell you, it's a good one. So I'm going to show you how to put this roast together. I thought this might be fun to add in for Crocktober. I didn't do Crocktober, which is you know, kind of a show all your best crockpot recipes through the month of October, but we thought we'd throw in one here, Crocktober. So this is Jana's best beef roast. Alright, here are the 3 packets that make this roast taste so good. It's a brown gravy, or you can use an au jus, an Italian dressing, and a ranch dressing. So it's just the packages here. You can sprinkle these all on top of the roast. I've done that plenty of times. And then just add in your water, or you can mix these all 3 together in your measuring cup and add your water to that and kind of stir it together and pour over. It's a very forgiving recipe. You don't have to do it a certain way. Method-wise, it's going to come out tasting just the same. So, and then depending on the size of your meat, if you want to cut back on these, maybe half a package on each one. You don't want it to get too salty, but I have a nice sized piece of meat. I think I'm going to go for all 3 of these and get it going. Alright guys, here you go. I've got the 3 packages of seasonings all mixed together with 1 cup of water, and I'm going to pour it over my rump roast here. So just kind of pour it over. Make sure you get all those seasonings that are down in there. Don't want to leave anything in our cup here. And let me tell you, 6 or 8 hours later, you're going to have a roast that is so flavorful. You're going to absolutely love it. So look how easy that is as well. So I'm going to show it to you when we get it all finished up. Alright you guys, here's a look at the roast. It's been in the crock pot all day, simmering away. That is going to be a delicious dinner. Just wanted to give you a look at it before we carve into it. And give this one a try. I really think you'll like it. Easy, quick, and very flavorful.